Alright guys, so welcome back to Pokemon TCG Go! I know you're looking in front of you and you're like,
That's not Pokemon.
those are not Pokemon. No, they're magic cards. They're magic, different,
Magic
different card sets, different booster packs. So he's got, what is that?
Innistard Midnight Hunt. We got Crimson Vow.
That's Innistard also.
Oh yeah, they're the same general area. And then we have Phyrexia. All will be one. And we're going to open in the order of Crimson Vow, Innistard Midnight Hunt, and then Phyrexia. All will be one.
Alright.
That's what we're going to do.
Alright.
Are you guys ready? This is more of an experiment. You guys let us know if you like this content, because I personally like all of the above. I like Yu-Gi-Oh!, I like Pokemon, and I like Magic. And I especially like playing Pokemon and Magic. So we're going to crack open our first here. It's been a little bit since I've opened Magic the Gathering, so this is pretty cool actually. And the cards have a different feel. Pretty different feel. So we'll see what happens. These packs are also just a little bit more tough, it seems. So we got this here. I don't really know what this is. It looks like it's an art, like a collector card. We start off with an island. What is this? Dreadlight Monstrosity, it's called. We have a Serpentine Ambush. We have a Syncopate. Then we have a Cruel... sorry guys, it's hard to read these as much. Cruel Witness. Then we have a Pack Song Pup. We have a Runebound Wolf. And this looks like it's a rare. A Lunar Rejection. Oh, okay, we've had a few. I was like, wait a minute. I forget how these work as much. We have a Falconwrath Celebrants right there. We have an Infestation Expert. And our rare is the Graph Reaver. And then we got a hollow foil here, which is the Dread Fugu. We'll go with that. Sorry about that, guys. My wife's phone just went off. And we have a Zombie Token in that pack. Oh, quite a cool little thing. It's quite a cool little pack. And that's only one. But we're going into more. But these packs don't seem to open nearly as easily as Pokemon. Which, in a way, probably a good thing. Otherwise, might not be that great. So this one, this is the next art that we got. Those art cards. We then have a Plains. We have a Daybreak Combatants. We have a Dawnheart Discipline. We have an Apprentice Sharpshooter. We have a Selhoff Entomber. We have a Fell Stinger. That's pretty cool. We have a Skull Scab. We then have a Bloodsworn Squire. We actually have our first like holy card. I think it's something like that. The Panicked Bystander. Hookhand Mariner. There's our rare right here. We have Odric Bloodcursed. And then our holo is Siphon Essence.
That looks cool.
Yeah, it does look pretty cool. I like it. Now we're going on to our next one. So far I don't really know all too well what we're looking for in these sets. But so far they're pretty cool. I'll definitely be looking more into that when I'm done. But all in all, I think that's pretty cool. The back card is a human token. Just want to let you guys know. And next art we have is that. That's pretty interesting. Then we have a Plains token. Wow, that's really cool. We have a Wolf Strike instant spell. We have a Sure Strike instant. We have a Snarling Wolf. We also, after that, have an Alchemist's Retrieval. We have then a Thirst for Discovery instant. We have Witness the Future Sorcery. We have a Markov Purifier Vampire Cleric.
That's cool.
We then have a Blood Petal Celebrant, which is a vampire. We also have a Falcon Wrath Celebrants. I think that's the second copy. And then for our rare, we have an Overcharged Amalgam, which is a zombie horror for the rare. And then for the sorcery, we have a Sanctify. So pretty cool stuff right there. We're on to our fourth. It feels already like it takes longer to go through these naturally because there's more cards. But it also, these cards are a little bit more difficult to pronounce. Usually you would be like, oh, it's a Bulbasaur. Nope. Not in this case. That is not exactly the way this works. I'm sorry, guys. This one's being poopy to me. I almost got it. Oh, there we go. I don't really know the best way to open these. Okay. So we got a token artifact. Blood. We also... Whoa, what's going on there? Okay.
Oh, it looks like a hollow.
Oh, what? Oh, whoa, that's... It's a double, okay. Well, that was unexpected. I didn't know that was possible. That's an art that we got. Might as well show you guys because it's kind of here. I've never seen a card like this, but it's called the Gnarled Grove Strider. It's actually two-sided. It has an enchant on the back of it. It's probably a new mechanic I'm just not aware of. Or the Dormant Grove Enchantment. That's a really cool card. But that now we'll go to the front. We have another island, I believe. We have a Courier Bat. We have the Blood Petal Celebrants. Again. We have the Belligerent Guest, I think, actually. The Parasite Grasp. We have Markov Purifier. Another one of those. We have the Innocent Traveler. We have the Valdarin Epicure. We have a blood-crazed Sociolite. We have the Binding Geist. And for a rare, we have the Splendid Reclamation sorcery card. Honestly, that one was probably the coolest one so far I've seen, without really knowing how things are actually going. Okay, let's see. Oh, I see something. Okay, so there must be... Oh, so see, yeah, there's a day card and then there's a night card. So you must... I don't really know how that mechanic works, but I know I just got a day and a night card. So it must be some brand new mechanic that came to Magic that I'm just not aware of.
Maybe we'll get a couple of decks and try to learn how to play.
Oh, I know how to play the base game, but I don't know these new mechanics. I left out around Zendikar Rising and Kaldheim. We have this art, though. And we have a really cool mountain island. Really cool. We have a mulch. We have a spore crawler. We have a sporeback wolf. We have a Lantern of the Lost artifact. We have Into the Night sorcery. We have an Alluring Suitor vampire. We have a Belligerent Guest. We also have a Lantern Bearer, which has that sun thing in the corner. So that sun must really, again, here, a Fearful Villager. And for our rare, which looks really cool actually, it's a Voice of the Blessed. And for the hollow foil, we have the Falcon Wrath Celebrant. Again, I'm not really 100% sure how good these are, so you guys might want to leave a comment letting me know if any of these are like crazy cool.
Actually, according to the internet, you can see on the bottom and the symbol in the corner whether it's like a rare or a mythic rare.
Coolios. We also have another blood token. Okay, what are we gonna get this time?
That looks like a credit card.
They add like art pieces. It's really cool.
Yeah, it is.
We yeah, you can like. I wonder if it's a giant picture you can put together.
Oh, maybe.
I don't know. That's something though if that's the case. We also have a forest. Pretty cool once again. We have a bramble armor. We have an honored heirloom. We have a massive mite. We have a Skywarp scab. We have a diver scab. Both scabs. We have a boarded window. We also have the belligerent guest. We have the blood-sworn squire, vampire soldier. We have the weary prisoner. We have the dominating vampire as the rare. And as our hollow, we have a courier bat.
How do you tell if it's a rare card?
By this right here. If it's
Okay.
if it's mythic,
It's orange.
it'll be orange right there.
Okay.
If it's rare, it'll be blue, and if it's common, it'll be black. Like that.
Black is
Okay.
common, blue.
Yeah, that's what I said.
No, you said it was
Hey guys, we'll be right
We'll be
back.
right back.
Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Right on the edge of your seats.